This is lesson 3.6 of Accelerated Geometry, Construction Problems. So first they talk about Islamic art being perhaps the ultimate success story of geometric constructions. Islamic designs are a rich source of intricate, abstract geometric art. Builders of cathedrals in Europe during the Gothic period were also master geometers of their time, and the compass and the straight edge were the tools of their trade. Those artisans that knew the geometric constructions were prized for their special knowledge. Probably giggle at that today, but back then, yes, everything was kind of constructed with compass and straight edge, and they got great designs out of it. So over here is the beginning of a design where you construct a circle inside of that figure, so they could do stained glass that way. Here's some more constructions that people did to make beautiful art. The lesson for today has to do with determining a triangle. Parts determine a triangle if there is one and only one triangle that can be formed with those parts. So if they give me some parts of a triangle, and they give you some parts of the triangle, the same ones, and you give it to one of our friends, and all three of us get together and we construct the triangle using those parts. If we all at the end get the same exact triangle, then those parts determine a triangle. If we get different triangles, then the parts that were given to us do not determine a triangle. So if we look on page 174 in our book, there's an example A, and it gives you 3 segments, and they say, okay, if you're up to this, you and a couple of friends create triangles using those 3 parts. After you construct your triangle, compare it to others around you. Did the 3 segments determine a triangle? So I took those 3 parts, and I started first with AB in this drawing, and I then did AC and BC, and I will now get a triangle out of those 3 parts. Okay, then over here I started with BC, and I went up to find the point A using those parts that they gave me. Here I started with AC. So now I have 3 triangles. I take a scissors and cut out the 3 triangles. Here's one. Here is my second one, and here is my third one. So I did these on my own because I don't have 2 other friends here with me. And now look what happens. If I take these 3 triangles, I can turn them around, move them around, and ta-da, they all end up exactly on top of each other. And so therefore, those 3 parts that were given to me back in the lesson, those 3 sides, determined a triangle. So that's what it says here. After you compare your triangles with others around you, you should see that all constructed the same exact triangle. These 3 segments determine a triangle. Then there is an example B. In example B, they say, now we're going to give you not 3 sides, but 3 angles. And we want you to take those 3 angles, and we want you to create triangles from them. So I did that. So here I did angle A and B, and then a C occurred. I copied angle A, angle B, See, they didn't tell me how long to make those sides, so I just made with, this one's about 3 inches, this one's about 2 inches, this is about 1.5 inches. Okay, so, but they all have the same exact angle A, the same exact angle B, and the same exact angle C. So now I'm not even going to cut these out, because you can see obviously that they are all different sizes. So this says, after you compare your triangles with others around you, you should see that all constructed different size triangles are all kind of the same shape, but that they're different size. They're not exact. They're not identical. So these 3 angles did not determine a triangle. So this is the information that you need to be able to do the homework problems from section 3.6. Good luck.